Hello student, in this video we talk about how to group audio and video in each other or how to group any part of your project in Filmora 12. So open your Filmora and import your projects or your videos. So I import some videos, right? I import this video and from here I downloaded some free pics. Now from here I drag and drop my video, right? And first I detach it. So I detach my audio and from here I trim it in multiple parts to group it, right? So I trim it and now from here I want to group it. Now I added some stickers to group all parts. Now I want to group it. So first select all parts, right, Control A, and then right click and from here click group or Control G, right? So it will be a group. Now when I move it, so all the parts will be moved together, right? And if you want to ungroup it, so right click on it and then click on ungroup or Control Alt G and the parts will be ungrouped. You also group any two parts. If I want to group these three parts, so I click on it and select it and then write it and click on the group and only these three parts will be grouped together, right? And if you want to ungroup it, so select it and then right click and these parts will be ungrouped. So you also group video and audio and stickers. So first select it and then right click on group and your parts will be as a group. So in this video we learn how to group audio and video or stickers in Filmora 12.